What if you could take your Figma styles and create a full brand kit using Firefly? We'll be using logos, fonts, and colors from Figma and building our layouts in Adobe Firefly Boards. And if you want to see how I created the product mockups in my brand kit, check out my video, 10 mockups in Firefly Boards. So why build your brand kit in Firefly? Because it's where your design system comes alive. You can turn your colors and logos into real visuals, mockups, mood boards, even new ideas, all inside one place that's both creative and organized. Right now, you can't export design styles directly from Figma into Firefly, but you can export SVGs. And those keep your type, color, and logo artwork sharp and high resolution on your Firefly artboards. Start in your Figma file. Create 2 frames, one for your text styles and one for your color styles. In these frames, go ahead and drop in your styles. To make sure your guide is print ready, you'll want accurate color translation. In order to do this, select your color, swatch, and copy the hex code and paste it into Photoshop's color picker. Photoshop gives you the correct RGB and CMYK values for each brand swatch. To get an accurate Pantone value, I have a website you can go to look up your color and get the closest value. Check out the link in the comments below. Go ahead and add the values that you found as text labels below each swatch in Figma. Now that your assets are ready, it's time to bring them to life in Firefly. Export everything as SVGs. Now head to Firefly Boards. Go ahead and start a board. In your board, go ahead and start importing your SVG files. Once you've finished importing your SVG files, it's time to make our pages for our brand kit. With the Artboard tool, make some artboards that are 1920 by 1080. Here's the structure that I recommend: cover, brand overview, logo usage, color palette, typography, photography style, and brand mockups. Firefly works like a lightweight design app. Our first page is the cover page, so we'll be able to add some text and our logo. Use Generate Image to come up with brand-aligned photography or drop in your own. To duplicate layouts, hold down the Option key and drag your artboard. Each page stays editable, so you can tweak or add generated images anytime. Here's my final brand kit, and it serves as a living library of the brand. This is where Firefly really shines. Once your kit is set, you can keep generating new ideas, from product mockups to mood boards. It's not just documentation, it's creation. Firefly becomes your brand's creative lab, where design, imagery, and motion all come together. When your brand kit's ready, go ahead and select all your artboards that you want to share in your brand kit, hit download and export as, then choose PDF. Once your PDF documents are saved, you can bring them all together into one PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Or you can hit share and share your Firefly board directly with clients and your creative team so they can explore or download assets themselves. And that's how you can turn your Figma styles into a complete brand kit with accurate colors, crisp SVGs, and an evolving workspace that keeps your creativity alive. If this helped you build your own brand kit or gave you new ideas for your workflow, give this video a like. It really helps more designers find it. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI design tutorials, workflows, and creative experiments every week.